Hello everyone, I80-386SX, and this video, I promise you, is not an optical illusion. What do I mean by that? Well, the answer is in the details. Okay, terrible jokes aside, but yes, what you are seeing is a CD drive being detected on a compact LTE light system. Anybody that knows anything about these does realize that there's absolutely no spot for this on this system. We're not in a docking station either. So there's your battery. There's your floppy. There's only a modem on that side. So, well, let's see. Is it an illusion? Let's see if we can double click on this thing and see what happens. Indeed we can. We have files. So that leads to the bigger question. We have no docking station. There's no place to put one internally in this system. How are we getting this? You can't be serious. Well, I shall show you right now. Ooh, those hinges do not sound good. See, Compaq had a whole mess of accessories for this machine. One of them including this thing here. It does connect to where the docking station is, so if you do use this on a Windows 95 machine like I am using, it will detect it as a dock. But there is one thing to note, it won't plug and play. So yes, we have the CD-ROM adapter. That's, I believe, one of 3 adapters you can get for this system that plug into that port. Supposedly works for the 386S20. There's a variant that works for the SLT, allegedly. Again, I'm not sure about that, but as indisputable proof, it works on a light. And here's the fun part. So this is a SCSI cable and a brand new, well, new old stock HP CD Writer 9600 series. I got this for basically nothing. Sealed and everything. I was going to say new in box, but new old stock. So, the next steps here to actually get this thing working, like I said, it's not plug and play. I'm not entirely sure if I have the right driver, but what I had to do, I had to go search high and low for this because there's really no documentation on it. We'll go to AutoExec first, and I'll show you. I'll put a link to the file in question that had the drivers. This looks pretty straightforward. It's a C CD-ROM, MS CDX CXE. That part is pretty straightforward. But we'll show you the part that we need to do. So, yeah, this, I loaded a driver for the NEC the CDR38 SCSI CD-ROM. That was the only thing that mentioned the compact CD-ROM adapter, so I gave it a shot. And it works, but there is a limitation. This may be a possibility even with anything loaded via DOS. I'm not sure, but I just put in a CD-ROM for Civilization 2. And I just hit a refresh. And if I open this, I bet it'll be... Yeah, it still says it thinks it's a Windows 95 disk. So that is a limitation of that driver, is if you do put in a different disk, you got to restart the machine. So let's restart the machine. Which for some reason wants to shut it down, but that's another story. All right. I have the CD-ROM or the CD writer on SCSI ID 0. I'm not sure if that matters or not in the grand scheme of things, but just thought I'd point that out. There is one little side effect if you're using Windows or even DOS, I imagine. It'll come up any second now. Yeah, so you'll get this error if you use the NSE CDR38 driver. It'll say that the drive being installed is not supported, but you press any key, you get that. I'll wait for it to boot. And just for the record, the line, I don't actually see the line real time. That's only through the camera. Or if there is, I can't see it. But my computer... Yep, so that loads the right thing now. Now the question is... Okay, it does at least try to run the correct application, so... Yeah, that's pretty much it. And for those on the LTE Armada Facebook group that correctly guess what this is, congratulations, you win the prize of, well, you guessed correctly. But yeah, that's the CD-ROM adapter in a nutshell. If you find the actually correct driver to go with this, leave it in the comments section. If you have any questions or concerns, you can leave those in the comment section as well. If you like the video, please give it a like. If you dislike it, well, give her a dislike. You know? Be honest here. If you don't want to see the stuff, then I don't do it. So, again, thank you for watching. Have yourself a good one.